can't believe it's doing it. Look at that. That's crazy. Why? Holy cow. Welcome back, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. Today we got a fun video lined up for you. A head-to-head I've been dying to do, guys. Finally, we have the old school, tried and true DCF-887 3-speed impact driver from Dewalt. And now we got the new Atomic DCF-850 ultra compact. This thing is freaking slick, guys. It's fairly light. Well, I take that back. They're pretty close. It sounds really loud. It's fast, but can it sink a leg faster than this one, or Spax, or some sort of fastener? So come along with me, guys. We're gonna head over here. We're gonna sink a whole bunch of different fasteners. Go head to head. Come with me, guys. We're gonna head over to the jaw horse. We're gonna sink in some Spax screws, the home of the original Spax screws. Both are using Dewalt bit holders on 3, on high. One, 2, 3, go. Pretty quick. 1, 2, 3, go. It looked like a tie to me. What do you guys think? Three, go. See, this one got it that time. It can be the wood too, guys. You never know. It's hard to be 100% consistent with perfect parameters. 1, 2, 3, go. I want to say this got it. 887 in the right. 850 in the left. Ready? Get set, go. Wow. That's crazy. Let's get them out. That's surprising. I thought that this would beat the new one for sure. Switch hands, try it one more time. One, 2, 3, go. We have the 12-inchers here. One more round, guys. See who takes it. Ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Nice, nice. Man, that takes a long time. Switch them up, and this time I'll back them out. I forgot to do that. 1, 2, 3, go. Back out. Just for fun, guys, I got a 12-inch leg bolt. Let's see what she can do. You guys think she can do her? Place your bets, place your bets. We got a fully charged up 6 on her, the flex belt. Ready, get set, go. That is impressive. For a subcompact impact driver, to sink that, still full bars. She's pretty warm. Almost burns my finger. I can probably hold it there. Let's see. 1, 2, yeah, 3 seconds. That's pretty hot. 887. I'm using the 5 because I don't want the flexible to blow this one up. Ready? Go. Did it. Weigh them up here real quick. With the 5 amp hour, we're looking at 3 pounds, 5 ounces. My friends across the sea, 1.6 kilograms or 1,600 grams. Bare tool with the belt clip and the little meg holder, bit holder. 2 pounds, 1 ounce, or 0.98 kilograms. Pretty slick, pretty slick. I'm gonna see what the 888 is. With the 5 amp hour, it's 3.4. Bare tool, looking at, this is, well, pretty close. 2 pounds, 0.09 ounces. But I got this on here, the mag holder and the belt clip, so maybe that adds a little tiny bit. Who knows? See if I can get the tachometer to work. This thing's so hot, nothing was really sticking to it. $3,573. That's pretty good. Let's check reverse. Whoa, 3,600. Yeah, that's definitely backwards. Let's try first gear. $1,000. Second gear, still plenty fast. 2,800. Not too bad. Second speed RPM is 2,800, right on the money, and 1,000. So it's over on the first gear and over on third gear. Second gear, it was right on the money at 2,800 RPMs. Not a bad little impact driver, guys. 200 bucks. You get 2 5s, return 1 5. You get $90 for that 5 amp hour. So really, like $100 and $10 impact driver. Nice. Alright, final thoughts for the video, guys. Is it worth it? Yes. So far, I like it. Now, only time will tell if this thing is going to overheat and explode, because it got really hot sinking that monster leg bolt, guys. I can still barely touch it. Now it's probably 15-20 minutes ago. It's fast. It's fairly light. You know, it feels really good in the hand. I mean, I have big hands, guys, like XXL gloves at least. And if it's my big mitts, I like it. It's comfortable. I mean, I just like the way Dewalt makes their grips. Very comfortable. The 887, I've never been too crazy about it, but it's okay. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate all the comments. Appreciate all the likes. Don't forget, subscribe. Hit the bell so you don't miss out on future content. I got a ton of Christmas tools we're going to be reviewing. We got this kit. We got the flexible hammer drill. We got the big daddy right here. Impact wrench. We're doing some testing on that. Got the FlexiVolt grinder. Really going over all this stuff. So, leave your comments down below. What do you want to see next? What do you want me to put this up against? Let me know. I'd love to get back to you guys. I get the best freaking subscribers in the world. With that being said, guys, much love. Be safe. Don't get sick. Don't let that road get you. See ya!